enough room.
Welcome to Pursue the Adventure.
I cannot remember the last time we got to a campsite during the day. It's, what is it, 9:30? Yeah, and we're here at Jenolan Caves, actually camping at the Boyd River, and we're just collecting some firewood. On Sunday morning, we're going to the Plughole Caves at Jenolan Caves. So it's a bit of a caving adventure.
Bloody space. I must have had a bushfire through here.
Whoa, hey, 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 hey. Get close. Got a bit of a wombat crossing here.
Everyone's done.
There it is, folks. About to get a fire going. Got Tones setting up here. Special guest for the episode.
Yeah.
Johnny here. Me and him. We're going to be tackling the caves tomorrow.
Sunday.
So, you got anything to say? What are your thoughts? What are your feelings?
What am I feeling?
Expectations.
I'm feeling cold. Crack a sight, and yeah, I'm not good at this crap, eh? Yeah, we just need a little bit of diesel.
Woo. Now you can actually see the campsite, guys.
Doesn't do much, eh?
Get it started. Cooking up some calamari rings with Chef Tony.
Well.
What's the recipe for disaster, mate?
A lot of love. Bit of garlic, salt and pepper.
TLC,
Bit of TLC.
Get a photo of this.
Get a look at that.
Oh,
Yeah, it's golden. Look at that, golden.
Wow.
Survives another cold night. A little bit windy here. We're having a bit of trouble with the gas cookers. A little bit of ingenuity. And what do we have here?
Come on in.
Look at this. Got a little wind igloo.
Nice and toasty in here.
Where we're cooking up breakfast. Protected from the wind.
We are protected. Get a bit closer to his face, it might help.
The quest for this morning, we're going to go collect firewood, go for a drive down the road and see if there's meant to be a lookout, so we're going to check that out. Maybe get the drone up.
Yeah, how good, eh? How good. Would you just look at it?
This is cool. This is a pretty sick view. It is now Sunday morning, just woken up, starting to pack up the campsite because in about 40 minutes we'll be at Jenolan Caves doing the Plughole. Alright, we just geared up, got our overalls on and our head torches, and here we go.
Get on it.
You filming it?
This is meant way.
Oh, someone shit themselves, eh? Bit of bum gravy.
I've been doing this whole time.
Oh, don't go head first.
You have to.
The
Plughole is a guided caving tour offered at Jenolan Caves and is considered a beginner level cave, and it takes approximately 2.5 hours to complete. The tour provided a lamp helmet and overalls to prevent our clothes from being damaged and aid in navigation through the dark caves.
Everything we've done so far is a bonus.
Nice.
Because we'll just start the tour there.
Good angle, eh? You shut yourself, eh? You shut yourself hard. Your shoulders. Oh shit. Imagine you could just walk straight around there.
I'm going to hold that and I'm going to watch you go through next decade.
Oh, you're kidding. Kick.
Yeah, by then you're exhausted, so it's
Thanks for work.
Mum, you gotta do this, I did it.
Yeah, I'm slipping down the wrong hole.
You can go down there as well.
So, you want to put your feet in the hole, get onto your knees.
Just do it.
Yep. Right. So then you lean forward so you get your weight on your stomach. So you're going to guide your feet to the... Yeah,
Put your foot there.
Oh, right there? Yeah.
And then bring this one all the way down. Keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. There. And now sit where your first foot was.
Do that close up.
Get there. It's you again.
A little bit.
Made it.
Alright, you ready?
Oh, is that the letterbox?
I was already gone through the letterbox.
This one looks more like a letterbox.
Oh my. Sure?
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, Tom?
Oh, boy, lads, go head first on this one.
Alright, more fun. York.
Just keep going.
Feet first will be easier,
No, head first.
but head first will be more fun. Do it. You know you want to.
What was that?
This is what it's like to be born.
I feel like that was actually the window, but you know.
You're actually going head first.
Yeah, it's cooler.
I need to piss out. I need to piss so hard. Is there any toilets in the caves? Nah. Shit.
Left or right?
Well, viewers, we survived. We survived the Plughole
Cave experience.
Just.
So this is where our cave adventure was meant to start, but because of the temperature, a lot of our group didn't want to wait out here for everyone to abseil down here to the entrance of the cave. So instead we did a different cave, looped back up here, made a bit longer caving in place of the abseil, but this is where it's meant to start. Look at that. Viewers, that's it for this week's episode. We'll catch you on the next adventure.
Come. See you on the next one, folks. Have a good one.
Post-credit scene.